Question 1, Part A is describe the gut. The gut can be described as a 9-meter tube that goes from the mouth to the anus. It takes up the nutrient in your diet to keep you healthy. The gut is also considered a bioreactor, so it plays a big role in the process of digestion. When we take foods in, they're broken down in the small intestine, and the larger material passes through into the colon and is fermented by the bacteria. This all plays a big role in keeping us alive. Question 1, Part B. Describing gut microbes. The gut is full of microbes. Most of them float free, while others make physical contact with the cells lining our gut. The words used to describe microbes are microbiota and microbiome. Bacteria is very small, but it comes in mass numbers. There are thousands in our body. Question 1, Part C. Describing gut microbes and what we eat. All the microbes in our body weigh about 2 to 3 kilograms, and there are thousands of different species. Gut microbes influence what and when we eat. The things we eat determine and influence the microbes in our gut, our diet especially. Our diet plays a big role. Highly processed foods that contain a lot of grease, like cheeseburgers and Big Macs, and a lot of restaurant foods as well. These are toxic to certain microbes, causing you to lose microbes. Microbes can control your eating behavior by influencing the signals that are sent to the brain. Dopamine and secretion play a big role in this. Question 1, Part D. Describing gut microbe therapy. What is it? How is it therapeutic? And what is one research study related to gut microbes that is found to affect health? Gut microbe therapy. This is changing the bugs that live in your gut. And to fix your brain, you have to fix your gut. This is something that's long care, and to help with this, you will need medical drugs. This is therapeutic because it can treat a lot of conditions, kill pathogens, and trigger the immune responses to many diseases. On the other hand, there could be problems like toxicity, outgrowth to pathogens, and the bugs in your body resisting to antibiotics. One research found to affect health are probiotics. They're found in many foods and are available for humans, children, and pets. They can decrease food intake and improve insulin sensitivity. Question 2. What is a new thing you learned from this theory that you did not know before? Something new that I learned is that there's good bacteria, and it's healthy for you to share it with other people. Most of the time, when people hear bacteria, they think of it as a bad thing or something that affects or can cause harm to the other person. So while there's many microorganisms that are harmful to our health, there's also many that are beneficial. Most of them are necessary for a person to be healthy. I also learned that there's about 300 to 500 different species of bacteria in our digestive tract. Question 3. What are the specific areas, for example, emotion or mood, of our body that get affected by the types of microbes in our guts? The specific areas of our body that get affected by our gut microbes is mood, such as stress, relaxation, and behavior as well. Stress has a direct effect on the bacteria that lives in our gut and causes outgrowth to these bacteria. This is a major factor. Aside from stress, gut bacteria can also take you to a relaxed state. Microbes control many areas, and neurotransmitters play a big role in this. They influence our mood, behavior, sleep, and how much we eat as well. Question 4. Due to the video, how is the type of our bacteria determined at the beginning? Do we get our bacteria and microbes from others or any other external activities? And if so, what type of activities or elements cause us to exchange our bacteria? All the different types of bacteria have unique genetic fingerprints, and by this, they can be determined or identified. Our microbes are very unique, but there are about 57 species of bacteria that we all share. So yes, we do get bacteria and microbes from others and other external activities as well. The microbes in our body are shared with other family members, especially our mothers. We are exposed to many bacteria in the womb and soon after birth as well. There are also social and cultural things that impact the microbes that populate us. For example, intimacy, grooming, and food sharing. These are all ways that bacteria are exchanged through external activities. Question 5. What type of food is considered effective to increase good bacteria or good microbes? There's 5 food sources that improve gut microbes. Some foods considered effective to increase our gut bacteria would be yogurt. Yogurt is most associated with reduced weight gain. Another one would be seaweed, which is a food that improves microbes drastically, and a lot of people actually go on seaweed diets. Fruits and vegetables would be another one. They are good and affect your health a lot. You should try to have at least 5 fruits and vegetables a day. They're good prebiotics. Some more foods would be stuff like bananas, onions, and honey. Question 6. What is the effect of taking too many antibiotics for too long for our bodies and gut bacteria? What other things that affect reducing gut bacteria that in turn deteriorate overall health? Taking too many antibiotics for too long can affect your gut bacteria a lot. Antibiotics change your microbiota. Too many of them for too long can reduce the number of bacteria you have in your gut. This can have a long effect on your microbiota. Antibiotics can be described as a man-made catastrophe. It drives your bacteria to become resistant, especially if you're taking too many. And loss of microbes can lead to health issues. Some other things that can affect your health is weight, stress, and age. Age can cause loss of diversity and richness. Obesity and other diseases do as well. Loss of microbes can lead to health issues. The microbes in your body will come together as a population and affect your health. Question 7. What do you do yourself in order to improve your gut bacteria? There's 3 things you may want to do. Some things I will do to improve my gut bacteria is eating healthier, being that is one of the main things that can affect your gut microbes. I will eat things like fruits, vegetables, and lots of dairy. I will exercise to make my body feel balanced and relaxed, because being stressed or under pressure is never a good thing for your body or your gut. I will also drink plenty of water, because staying hydrated is always a big help. I have tried many things to stay healthy myself and work on my gut bacteria. Right now, I am trying to drink at least 1 gallon of water a day, eat 1 salad a day, and eat many fruits and vegetables, at least 2 to 3 a day, and exercise a lot so that my body can stay in shape. Question 1.